Essential preparation.
Yeah, well, actually, I thought that because it's this weather, sun, rain, and it's only May, there might actually be a bit of low sun. Hence $3.99's worth. Right, so we're here a couple of hours early, so we're going to get pit hopefully when one becomes available, and the nerves have set in because there's other nice cars coming, and then it gets dead exciting. I thought.
And there's no one there.
Well, there was.
There
was
was.
at Megan.
There was. Does someone own this banana?
Free. What are you doing? What I'm doing is dressing nicely for an event and then having to work for someone else's car. But bring gloves. Ride out's wrong, both sides. This rubs, so we're adjusting it before we get going. Shouldn't be too hard, as long as it's not seized. I knew a pen was a good idea. Not for my car though. Mark that up, then we can see how much we turned it.
Most important part of YouTube, Ben, is getting your camera set up.
That's embarrassing. This should have been done ages ago. Alright, so we're waiting for the sighting laps. Now's a good time to check your wheel nuts are all tight. Check your tyre temperatures, about 30 psi. Just make sure they're all even at this point. Definitely check your oil. You'll want it right to the top, if not a little bit over. Check your coolant, brake fluid, all them kinds of basics. And then get all the rubbish out of your car. You don't want anything flying around. Smoke.
Oh no.
But I don't know if it was the rear brakes. I'm gonna let it cool down.
Yeah.
Got to about 108 degrees, which is more than what I want.
That is hot.
That is hot. But I think mine overreads. Did you see the smoke? Go down the start finish straight? No. It was down the crane as I kept seeing it.
Right.
Maybe it was just burning off or something because it's been thrashed. Okay? Yeah, so.
Well done, John.
Look at him, rubbed the side off already. In one session. out of all the intake. Intercooler pipes are full of oil. Intake's full of oil, and it puffs heavy blue smoke when I've calmed down.
Oh no.
Yeah, so there's something wrong again, but I'm hoping it's just a breathing issue. And the oil's never been this hot, so maybe that's just coming past the turbo seals. Maybe it's nothing for the road. Keep it in here, keep it in, keep it in, keep it in. And now it's straight, look. Now brake. Brake, don't turn yet. And then go in hard there. And now you're on the power for over here. Go right over. That's it. Brake here for this one. And now go downshift and then put the power on. That's alright, go for power. You can keep it flat. It'll grip. Brake. Was you looking in the mirror?
I was, yeah. Go again?
Yeah, you've got to go in the pit though.
I have to go in the pit?
Yeah.
I won't have the sound on because you'll hear us all laughing.
Yeah.
And then you reverse brake. Yeah,
I'm
onto the grass.
brake.
That was nice, well held, sir. Well held.
It's alright.
Did you think, oh, what's going to happen now? Did you think that's
Yeah, I just thought how fast you were going. I thought if that comes out and then grips, you're going straight head on into the hiring valve.
Yeah.
But you turned it opposite so fast, and it doesn't come round, thankfully. You did really well.
I've been there before,
You did
right?
really well.
I've been there before.
There's no brakes. a bit miffed. That handle's amazing. That is brilliant to drive.
Yeah.
That's loads better than mine.
Handling.
Yeah. And it's dead fast. It's so fast.
A lot of smoke came out the back then when you started it.
I know, I saw.
So Ben, season finale. What do you want to say?
Well, it's gone all right. I'm pleased that the engine has held out. This is the first time it's really been pushed. The gearbox, everything's all right. I think the turbo's gone, which is annoying. But we'll see what it's like on the road. That's kind of disheartening, but you get that with track day and I'll get over it eventually. Having driven the Mini though, which was kind of bought sight unseen, that's brilliant. Very risky, but brilliant. It needs tyres. It needs tyres and maybe front calipers rebuilding because it breaks a little weird. But loads of fun. So one thing I can say is if you're on a budget and you want to do track cars, they're amazing.